Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will tell you my S25 Ultra does not work with Portronics Import View 3. Okay, you can see this. I purchased this Import View 3 for my S25 Ultra for using Samsung desktop, but actually it is not recognized by my S25 Ultra, and it is working on my OnePlus 70. Okay, and that means it's not complaint one, but it's actually not working on my S25 Ultra. But actually I purchased this thing for my OnePlus 70, and this thing is working on my OnePlus 70 and my other phones. Okay, and it is also working with my S25 Ultra. You can see here there is a PD charge port and HDMI output and USB 3.0, and this thing does not have a company name. I think it's a Chinese made thing, does not have any company names, and it is worth about 600 rupees on my local market. So just checking that, first I am connecting this 1700 rupees USB hub station to my S25 Ultra. I'm going to simply connect this, and it is showing nothing. You can see here it is not showing nothing, and I'm just connecting this USB device dongle with my Portronics mouse, and first I'm going to turn on the mouse. You can see here I turn on the mouse, then I will change that to 2.4 gigahertz. You can see here, and connecting this USB dongle to here. It is connected. Moving my mouse, it is not responding. You can see here that means the Portronics Import V3 does not work with S25 Ultra. If you turn on the developer options, then set any settings, and also dialing *#0808#, then set any settings, and also come here, then turn off auto block. I tried all of these things, and also I will post in this video for someone who tried to this one auto blocker. Actually it is turned off. You can see it is turned off, but this thing's not working. Okay, and we are going to this local market thing. Just disconnect from here. You can see here, then I will remove these things from here and put aside. Then we are connecting these things here. Okay, it is connected. Then I will connect my S25 Ultra. So very simple. Then you can see mouse is appeared here. You can see here, and this mouse is worked with some you can see here it is working. Yeah, you can see here now it is working. So this cheaper 600 rupees dongle is working with my S25 Ultra. So if anyone going to buy to use your S25 Ultra as your DeX mode with multiple ports, then you must buy these things, like there is multiple devices like HDMI output and 2 USB input and power cable. So purchase these things. Okay, and I will provide some links in the product. You can purchase that, and that's guys very simple tutorial. So do not understand that means your phone does not support any USB device. Actually it is support only some kind of device, so you must try the device with your phone, then purchase. So that's guys, and one more thing, it is very useful. This thing have 10 different ports, and it is working with my OnePlus 70, so it is very useful for me. That's it. So thank you so much guys, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video, so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.